In this video, I'll be showing how to have an object know or stop when it collides with another object, and I'll show two ways of doing that. And in there, I'll use while loops. In this case, I'm going to make this child person move until it collides with the alien. So, first thing I'm going to do is take out a while loop because he's going to be moving while he's not colliding with the alien. So all the while he's not colliding with the alien, he'll be moving forward. To not have to have them perfectly aligned to each other, I'm not going to have him move forward. I'm just going to have him move to the alien. So now the condition here will be a number, because the way Alice does this is that it gets the distance between the boy and the alien. And if that distance is less than a certain number, then it decides if the boy should keep moving forward or stop. For example, you tell it something like, if the distance between the boy and the alien is 10 steps, then anytime the distance between them is 9 steps or less, you can keep going. But as soon as it hits 9 steps, that's it. Stop walking, because you're already close enough to the alien. You've basically gotten to the alien. So it'll be a relational decimal number, because distances here are pretty precise. So they don't just work in whole numbers, they go up to decimal places. So a relational decimal number, and it'll be comparing two things. So basically, if the distance between them is less than 10, then I want him to keep walking to the alien. So the way I find the distance between them is I go to functions and get the already made getDistanceTo function. So here I'll make it be the distance between the person and the alien, have the person keep walking, in this case a child person, keep walking until it hits the alien, while their distance is less than 10. But here I forgot to change the move to be the child person, so there, now. So as you can see, he kept walking until he hit the alien. But now, you don't want your program to look this way, where both objects go inside each other. So the way to fix this is to just change the way the while statement is set up, and also change the command. So instead of this child person move to this alien, we can do this child person move towards this alien. That way we can control the amount that it moves to the alien each time. So I'll put 0.25, and then here I will flip my logic and instead have it be, meanwhile the distance from the child person and the alien is more than, not 0.25, but the alien's width. That way it doesn't go into the middle of the alien. So now if I try this, he moves 0.25 each time, and then that's it. When he gets close to the alien, his width, he just stops. So now, using the colliding with function, I can just do this, which is simpler, but sometimes the colliding with isn't as precise as you need it to be, and that's when you use getDistanceTo, and you would just shorten the distance to however much you wanted it. So while this person is colliding with the alien, but instead I'll have it be, well, it's not. So while this child person is not colliding with this alien, it'll move towards the alien by 0.25. And there it is. The two ways to do a colliding with and also including while statements.